Welcome to Block 7, where we explore unique home designs from around the world. Today, we're taking a closer look at an extraordinary piece of architecture, a tiny villa deep in the Estonian wilderness called Maidla Nature Villa, designed by B210 architects. Measuring just 28 square meters, this structure offers an experience far beyond that of a typical hotel room. Set on the edge of a bog and surrounded by birch trees, this small retreat is fully immersed in nature. During the high water season, the surrounding wetlands can flood up to knee level, allowing guests to begin a canoe trip right from the front deck. The building is elevated 1 meter above the ground, supported by 7-meter-long screws that anchor it to the soft earth without disturbing the bog's fragile ecosystem. A floating wooden boardwalk leads to the front terrace. Interestingly, the house is completely wrapped by open-air spaces, from a morning terrace at the base, a wide staircase that doubles as seating and roof access, to a canopy-level evening terrace perfect for watching sunsets, stargazing, or observing wildlife. In terms of design, the villa features sharp angles and triangular forms that blend with the natural contours of the site. The exterior cladding, roof, and all terraces are made of dark brown thermally treated ash wood, chosen for its durability and low-maintenance qualities, which are essential for such a remote location. Inside, you'll find a smart and flexible small space. At its heart is a triangular bed positioned to face the bog's panoramic view. A fireplace anchors the room, while curtains can be drawn to divide the space into a cozy bedroom and a more private area for work or relaxation. The interior materials echo the natural look of the exterior, creating a warm and grounded atmosphere. Every detail, from the furniture and ceramics to the bathrobes, has been thoughtfully selected to offer a high-quality stay without losing that raw, natural touch. The bathroom is compact yet elegant, featuring a full-height mirror and an eco-friendly incineration toilet. Beneath the staircase to the roof, there's a hidden technical space for equipment, kept discreet so as not to disturb the main interior. Interestingly, Maidla Nature Villa is located within the grounds of a former manor complex, giving guests the chance to explore historical buildings and beautiful landscapes before returning to their secluded retreat in the forest. Architect Mari Hunt described the project as a vital reminder of our connection to nature, something that is slowly disappearing in many parts of Europe. Through this design, the team aimed to create a space that encourages us to rediscover the value and gentleness of our relationship with the natural world.